This is the TRX Pro4 Suspension Trainer, and TRX claims it can replace an entire home gym with just a couple of straps. Big promise, right? I've been using this thing for real workouts, early mornings, tight hotel rooms, zero excuses, and I found something they don't really talk about in the ads. So the question is this actually worth your hard-earned cash, or is it just another overbuilt fitness accessory? TRX Pro4 Suspension Trainer Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the TRX Pro4 Suspension Trainer, the latest flagship suspension system from TRX, a brand that pretty much pioneered suspension training and is trusted by military units, pro athletes, and trainers worldwide. The Pro4 launched as an upgrade over the Pro3, and it's aimed squarely at serious home gym users, personal trainers, frequent travelers, and anyone who wants maximum versatility without bulky equipment. The core idea is simple. Use your body weight and gravity to train strength, stability, and mobility anywhere. The Pro4 is their most durable, most premium setup yet, and it definitely feels like TRX saying, okay, this is the one. TRX Pro4 Suspension Trainer Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? Here's the thing. Suspension trainers live or die by stability and trust. If you don't feel confident leaning your full body weight into it, the whole system falls apart. And that's where the Pro4 absolutely shines. I use this for everything, from basic rows and push-ups to pistol squats, atomic push-ups, and core finishers that left me questioning my life choices. The straps feel rock solid, the anchor point inspires confidence, and there's zero sketchiness even during dynamic movements. Adjustments are quick and intuitive, which matters when you're mid-workout and don't want to break your flow. What surprised me most is how smooth the strap movement feels under load. There's no awkward twisting or friction, which makes exercises feel more natural and joint-friendly. Features and tech. Let's talk about what actually makes the Pro4 special. First up, the reinforced rubber handles. These are a big upgrade. They're textured, sweat-resistant, and slightly contoured, which means your grip feels secure even during longer sets. Translation: less hand fatigue, more focus on the muscles you're actually trying to train. Second, the adjustable foot cradles. TRX redesigned these to be more durable and more comfortable. If you've ever done suspended lunges or planks, you know foot comfort matters more than you think. These feel stable and supportive, even barefoot. Third, the carabiner and anchor system. The Pro4 includes a heavy-duty locking carabiner and multiple anchor options. Door, beam, tree, whatever you've got, you can probably make it work. That flexibility is huge for travelers or apartment dwellers. And finally, the included workout access. TRX bundles digital training content, which helps beginners hit the ground running. It's not just gear, it's a system, and that lowers the barrier to actually using it consistently. Design and build. Aesthetically, TRX knocked it out of the park. The Pro4 uses industrial-grade webbing, reinforced stitching, and metal components that feel like they belong in a commercial gym. This thing is built to take abuse. The yellow and black TRX look is iconic at this point, and while it's not subtle, it does scream professional. Ergonomically, everything makes sense. Adjustment tabs are easy to grab, the straps don't tangle easily, and setup takes under a minute once you've done it a few times. It feels premium, because it is. Pros. Extremely durable, confidence-inspiring build. Smooth, comfortable straps and handles. Incredibly versatile for full-body training. Cons. Price is high compared to basic suspension trainers. Overkill if you're a very casual or infrequent user. Final verdict. So, who is the TRX Pro4 actually for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're a serious home gym user, a trainer, or someone who values high-quality gear that'll last for years, this is an absolute no-brainer. The Pro4 feels like a professional tool, not a toy, and it delivers consistent, reliable performance every single workout. But if you're someone who only trains occasionally or just wants to dabble in suspension training, you might be better off with a cheaper TRX model or a well-reviewed alternative. You won't need the Pro4's durability. For everyone else,
This is one of those rare fitness products that actually earns its premium price. It's simple, effective, and brutally efficient. And honestly, it might be the last suspension trainer you ever need to buy.